Hello students. In this session, we are going to learn how to evaluate a postfix expression using stack. In our last session, we have discussed about converting from infix to postfix expression. In both of these cases, stack is the main tool that is used to accomplish the given task. That means when we convert infix to postfix expression, we use stack mainly to store operators. That means we are going to push only the operators inside the stack when we convert infix expression to postfix expression. But in the case of evaluation of postfix expression, the stack is used to store only operands. That means we push only operands inside the stack when we are going to evaluate the postfix expression. For your reference, let us recall what is operand and operator. Here is a simple expression a plus b. A and b are the operands, plus is the operator. Let's start understanding the simple steps of this algorithm. Initially, we consider a given postfix expression p. We had hash symbol at the end of the given expression p. We start scanning the symbols of p from left to right until we encounter hash symbol. Then we perform the three simple steps. If the encountered symbol is an operand, we push that symbol onto the stack. That means when we start scanning the symbols of the expression from left to right, if we encounter an operand, we push that operand inside the stack. And the second step, if the encountered symbol is an operator, we pop the topmost two symbols from the stack and apply that operation on those symbols. And the final result after performing that operation, we push the result onto the stack. This is the two main steps that we perform. And finally, the third step is after scanning all the symbols of P, pop the remaining symbol, which is the main result we obtain after evaluating the given postfix expression. Without any further delay, let us evaluate one postfix expression. Here is an example of an expression P. It is the collection of the different operands and operators. Now, we can use here the comma operator also to separate the elements of the given expression. If we can rewrite this given expression, P is equal to 9, 3, 5, and we have a multiplication operator star, and we have 5, then 1, and we have exponential operator, then a division followed by plus. The role of using comma operator here to separate the elements of P so that it is not interpreted as the number 935 instead of 9, 3, 5. But remember, this is not the mandatory part in evaluating postfix expression. Let us solve this expression with some simple steps. Start with step 1. Assume we have an empty stack and we have added hash symbol at the end of the expression. Now we are going to start scanning the symbols from left to right. In this case, the first symbol to be considered is exactly 9, which is an operand. According to the algorithm step, if the symbol that we are scanning is an operand, we push it onto the stack. 9 is an operand, we are going to push 9 onto stack. Let us write push 9. Now I have pushed 9 inside the stack. Step 2. Now the second symbol to be considered here is exactly 3. 3 is also an operand. I am going to push 3 also inside the stack. So now let us write 9 is already there. The next symbol that we have pushed onto stack is 3. Now move to step 3. In the step 3, the next symbol that we are scanning is 5, which is also an operand. As 5 is an operand, again we are going to push 5 onto stack. Push 5, and in the stack we have 9 and 3 and we have 5. Now move on to